What's happening YouTube? I just thought I'd make a quick little short because this just happened. It's the first time using AllTrails. I'm not impressed. The loop doesn't exist, but there was an alternate trail I seen. I took it for quite a while, and until it got to basically you'd have to have climbing equipment. So my lesson is don't be afraid to turn around. If you find yourself getting in too deep, call it. No shame in it. And don't trust maps on your phone 100%. Don't. Have a good one. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button.